The waitress came up and said he wanted the salad, and she's like, you know, it has walnuts. And he's like, hey everyone, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We are Vocal Lab Collective.
Cheers! Ooh, these glasses give such good ring.
They do. They have a great ring.
Yeah, they're so cheap.
Like a ping.
Actually, I say they're cheap, but oh.
Yeah.
I was holding the glass.
No, it's good.
Hey.
What's not good is the chips that you keep making me eat.
I'm not making you eat a thing. I just supplied some.
You opened a full bag of chips and they're almost all gone.
They're almost all gone.
And I'm going to be belching the rest of the night.
Trader Joe's here in Nashville, Tennessee has some really great snacks. Chips being one of them.
Yeah.
Go to your local Trader Joe's if it has around.
Do not buy me chips, people.
But what you do need to do,
is not have chips around.
Not have chips around, or tomatoes.
Or walnuts.
But you do need to subscribe to this channel because we're very entertaining.
That's right. Bam, bam, bam.
That's right. Follow us on Instagram. We got some lives coming up on our Instagram as well. TikTok and Facebook.
Yeah, follow us on all the things.
You know what? Jason actually just posted a video on TikTok of how leaning in for a kiss helps you sing better. You should check that out.
You should.
Mwah.
Lean in for the kiss. Speaking of walnuts, a really funny story before we get to this video. My friend Rolf from Norway, one of the first trips he ever made to Los Angeles, where I was living at the time, we went to this restaurant in Echo Park. It's really great.
Love Echo Park.
Yeah, no, it's fantastic over there. This restaurant's really great. And so the waitress came up and said he wanted the salad, and she's like, you know, it has walnuts. And he's like, whale nuts? She's like, yes, walnuts. He's like, whale nuts? The language where he thought it had whale nuts on it. It was the funniest thing ever.
That's amazing.
That was really funny.
Oh, that's cute.
You know what else is going to be amazing? This video.
Oh my gosh,
Gigi. We're back with you, baby. And this song is Homecoming, right? Yeah, yep, we have gnats flying around like this, and Katie's just, hey, here we go.
Let's go.
Laguna. I was just there yesterday. I don't think this is the same Laguna. Oh. Laguna, Philippines.
Nasa Maya pa na tayo ngayon, tawag dito sa lugar na to, Maya pa. Yan yung dati kong school. Yan, Maribel, Montessori School. Yan yung school ko dati. Ang dami nagbubuli sa akin. Shoutout sa mga bully ko na ngayon.
Shout out to the bullies.
Ngayon pa, diretso na kami kung saan ang lugar na mahiwaga at maganda ang aming bahay. Para sa akin, kasi din ako lumaki. Daming memories doon. Daming memories dito from school.
You know, it's crazy walking, like, or driving just through old neighborhoods and
all the memories.
Okay naman. Kasi exercise siya, tsaka pinagpapawisan ako noon. Ngayon, hindi na. Nakakaawa ako ngayon. Yan yung simbahan namin. Simbahan ng Maya pa. Tapos, ang tawag dito sa lugar na to ay Angel's Burger.
She's so cute.
Ako natutuwa ako, hindi naman ito ganito dati. Tapos yung sa mga store na yun, bumibili lang kami. Bumibili ako dati ng, alam niyo yung yung pitcho? Yung manok? Yung mantika, itim na.
Cool.
Ito yung kampo.
That chicken looks so good.
It looks so good.
Ay yung kampo.
Like, why don't you have a plate of chicken instead of chips?
Well,
Like, just gnawing little chicken wings? That'd be way healthier.
Pakalubang na to. Tapos ito yung iglesia ni Cristo. Minsan dyan ako pumupunta sa kaibigan ko. Diyan niya ako susutuin. Punta na kami dun sa bahay sila. Bea, I love you, I miss you!
She got so excited.
Okay, gusto ko lang ipakita. Yun yung Don Bosco College. Ayan o, Don Bosco College. Tapos, sa likod pa nun, yun yung Mary Hebog Christian School. Doon ako nag-elementary. Tapos umalis ako agad, lumipat ako sa Maribel kasi bawal kasi artista doon. Sa Mary Hebog Christian School, pinagbuwala ko lang nila sister. Ito yung I-mall. Diyan ako lagi tumatambay, lalo na nung college ko. Kaya, konti na lang! Zoom!
Jollibee!
Imagine, from Maribel Montessori Montessori school nilalakad ko, dire-diretso.
Did you ever go to Jollibee in LA? You never went there?
Dahil yung mga pedicab dati, dyan ako sumasakay. Ay, taray, naka-e-bike na sila. Dati hindi pa jack lang yan dati.
It's like home of the chicken joy or
Ay,
something.
hindi mo ko bago
Oh,
to.
I love coconut juice.
Bago to ah. Fire protection.
Who's on her shirt?
I don't know, I can't tell.
Ito na yung ano, pag kumanang ka dito, yan na yung kung saan sila nagtitraining. Minsan dito kami dumadaan. Dati pwedeng dumaan dyan, ngayon hindi na ata. Kasi puro police na talaga. Imagine, from Maribel Montessori School, lalakarin ko yan. Lalo na pag galit ako sa mundo. Special mention ang ating garbage truck. Saludo po kami sa inyo dahil nililinis niyo po ang aming kalsada. Lahat po ng trabaho ay may kwenta. So wag po tayong manghusga kung ano man yung trabaho ng ibang tao dahil dun sila masaya at dun sila kumikita, dun nila napapakain.
I love that she said that.
So,
Yeah.
judge them. We smile.
Yeah, that's good.
Basta yun na yun.
Every job is important.
All of them. Yun yung sila.
Lots of churches.
A lot of churches.
Tapos ito yung bakery na yan, dyan ako lagi bumibili. Pag gusto ng nanay ko ng gusto namin na merienda, kasi 50 piso lang, sumura lang. Paborito ko dyan yung parang yung mayema sa ano. Don't speak in English, but speak in English.
Whoa, look at that.
Wow.
Bra.
Na yung ano namin.
This is where she grew up.
Yeah.
Gagawin na talaga siyang training ng mga ano talaga. So pinapaalis na kasi hindi naman talaga sa amin yung lupa dito. Sa gobyerno. Bahay ng tita ko. Ito po yung bahay namin na wala nang bubong. Yan, alam mo yung blue na gate na yan, yung pangalawang blue na gate. Yan, na ano yung amin. Alam mo na yung part. Yan na yung bahay natin.
Wow.
Mapasok tayo mamaya, guys.
Oh, look at her. A little cat.
Bahay ni Lola yan. Pinagawa ni tita.
Oh.
Kami na yung tumira. Kasi wala ibang titira ko dito.
Gidget. It's how Katie reacts
Yeah.
every time I come over to her
Every
house.
time he comes over, I'm so excited.
You're like, you're the singer. Gah, gah, gah.
Look at the food. Wow, that's amazing.
Dito nga pala kami ngayon sa Laguna. Sisilipin lang namin yung bahay namin. Dito ah. Ito nga pala yan. Yan yung bahay namin. Pakita yung bahay namin pa. Yan.
Wow.
I know.
Yung mga DVDs na binibili namin para makapanood ako. Tapos pinupukpok ko yung DVD player para gumana. Kasi wala naman kami pambili dati. Graduate ata na ako ng high school. Dati kong phone.
Oh, look at that cell phone.
No.
Parang regalo lang din ata sa akin yan. Ang tita ko.
That's nuts.
CDI King. Ito yung dati kong tablet. Ito yung binili ni mama ko na inutang niya. Parang hulugan niya ata binayaran para sa tasa.
Colombo.
I'm like waiting for like a spider or snake to like, jump out. Look how old it is there.
Oh, that was it.
Oh, it's a doll.
What is it?
A doll?
Oh, creepy doll. It's a selfie stick. I love it. You don't see those much anymore.
It's a sentimental.
Gigi sketchbook.
You know, I think it's really good for so many people to see videos like this when singers document their life and go back to where they came from, because so many people all over the world just think they just have always had it all.
I was
They
thinking
never
that.
know of
The hardship and the backstory and the struggles.
yeah.
It's really true.
And it makes you love the artist so much more because of where they came from. It makes you appreciate the artist so much more.
I'm shocked there's still so much in there.
I know, there's so much in there.
Yung laptop ko dati.
Look at that old
Hindi na
thing.
Zombieland kaya saan ako umuwi.
Zombieland, I love that movie.
Ano yung zombie na Cadbury zombie? Pinupok-pok-pok-pok ko rin para gumana. Ano yun?
Oh, what'd she step on?
Ang tangalan. Ano yun?
Wow,
That's so cool.
that's amazing. That gives me chills.
Got that crop top on.
I know.
And banda tayo sa paghahakot ng mga gamit na kailangan natin ni Mama. Mamaya isusulat natin pag uwi. Papakita rin namin sa inyo yung mga ibang mga pictures ko ng bata pa ako. So, see you later. Let's go and maghihilamos na ako. Bye-bye.
Oh,
Oh God, we're gonna cry.
I know.
I can't do these kind of songs. Oh no.
It's okay, you can let it go. She's worth it.
Yeah. Oh, look at her.
She has the softest face, like so
She does.
calm and kind and gentle.
It's a great song too. You know who sang this originally? I think Kenny Rogers.
Oh,
Oh, childhood treasures, all the memories of the
Gigi, thanks
heart.
for taking us there with you.
You know what?
What an amazing thing for your fans to see, for us to see.
It actually, in all honesty,
Yeah.
I'm way more connected to her now watching that than I ever. I mean, I've just heard reactions that we've done, right? And I love her talent. But this made me feel now like I know her.
Yeah.
Because clearly it was her life story, but it was tender, it was sweet, it was sentimental, it was funny, it was fun.
It was humble.
It was humble.
Yeah.
And maybe that's a little lesson out of all of this is like, for anyone out there who may be like struggling or wondering or dreaming or hoping or afraid, all those emotions because things are tough, or maybe you are in a place in life where it's so simple and humble and like not much.
Yeah.
Know that big and great things can happen,
Yeah, they
right?
absolutely
Through that
can.
dream. And there's something really beautiful about a humble beginning. It also made me think about at one point I was thinking about a big country artist that lives here in Nashville, Miranda Lambert. One of her early songs was The House That Built Me.
Yes.
It's a fantastic
such
song.
a good song.
And it's all about her story about this little house in Texas, I think is where it was, and how that house, just like Gigi's, built her to the woman she is today. And it's really cool when you can go back and see all that.
Yeah. The
Gosh.
song's about her kind of going back to the house to see it.
Yeah.
Just like Gigi did here. And it's a true encouragement of no matter where you are in life, you can feel that you may be at your complete rock bottom. There's only up that you can go. You know, you can only move forward and take steps ahead and get to where you absolutely dream of being. Gigi took opportunity and she took every chance. And she even talks about shout out to the bullies. You know, we know that happens so much. It happens so much in this world, unfortunately. Just keep moving forward. You're so special. You have so much that you're capable of doing. And so let these stories and let us help to encourage you to flourish in what you love to do and what you feel called to do.
Totally. I was also shocked because I thought this was going to be a song.
I was too. So this is very much like a wow.
Yeah, no, totally.
Yeah.
It's a really honest reaction.
I didn't know if like a song was going to come in, but
it's
it never
an
did.
honest reaction. We don't. For those of you who are new to us, we don't watch or research anything before, unless we're trying to figure out like where someone's from. We really don't look at the music or the song.
Even then, you're the one diligent with that. I'm like, who is it?
Yeah, right. Hey, this was awesome. I feel so great about my life and.
Very blessed.
Yeah, totally.
It opens your eyes to the blessings that we have.
It does.
Yeah.
So, to all of you out there, be blessed. Don't be stressed.
It adds wrinkles you just don't need to have.
It does. Tighten. Did we just do that in tandem? Did. Oh, that's another outtake, Carlos. Hey, until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Kate Talbot.
Our Vocal Lab Collective.